Good morning, everyone. So we're here again for our lesson percentage. Today we will try to find a percent of a fraction. Let's try an example. 50% of 22. There are different ways to solve this problem here. The 50% of 22. One is by multiplying the number by the fraction form of the percent, or by multiplying the number by the decimal form of the percent. Okay, we will do both for this first example for you to see how it works. The first one is we change 50% into its fraction form. So 50% is 50 over 100. And we multiply it to 22, and 22 can be written as 22 over 1. By multiplying the numerators, we have 50 times 22, which is 1,100, over 100 times 1, which gives us 100. And by simplifying 1,100 over 100, we'll get 11 for our final answer. We'll see here that 50 over 100 is just a big number. What we can do is we can simplify the fraction of the given percent. Like in this example, instead of writing 50 over 100, we can just write it as 1/2. Take note that 1/2 is still 50%. So 1/2 times 22 over 1. So we multiply still the numerators. 1 times 22, we get 22. And 2 times 1, which is 2. And by simplifying, we still get the same answer, which is 11. Okay? Now, the other method is by multiplying the number by the decimal form of the percent. So in this case, 50% can be written as 50 tenths, or 0.50, or 0.5. Okay? So we just multiply 0.50 or 0.5 times 22. And by solving this, you will also get 11 as your answer. So it means that 50% of 22 is 11. Let us now have example number 2. Let's try 25% of 18. Now, we can change 25% as 25 over 100. And multiply it to the number 18. Can be written as 18 over 1. So that means it's 25 times 18, we get 450 over 100 times 1 is 100. And then by simplifying 450 over 100, we get 4.5. So 25% of 18 is 4.5. Again, you notice that this is a fraction that can be simplified further. 25 over 100 can be written as 1 over 4. So we can use 1 over 4 instead of 25 over 100. So that will give us an 18 over 1 equals 1 times 18 is 18, and 4 times 1 is 4. So when we divide 18 by 4, we will still get the answer 4.5. And again, you can also do the decimal form of 25%, which is 25 hundredths or 0.25, and just multiply it to 18 to get the same answer. For our last example, let's have example number 3. Example number 3 is 65% of 16. So in this case, again, we change the percent into its fraction form, which is 65 over 100. And multiply it to 16 over 1. So that will give us 65 times 16, which is 1040. And 100 times 1 is 100. Simplifying this fraction here, we'll get 10.4. So 65% of 16 is 10.4. And again, we can change 65 over 100 to its smaller value, okay, to its simplest form. So we can easily multiply numbers here. So we can also try 13 over 20. Again, take note that 13 over 20 is the same as 65 over 100, which is also 65%. And then multiplying it by 16 over 1. Same process, we multiply 13 and 16, we get 208 over 20 times 1 is 20. So by dividing 208 by 20, we will get still 10.4. So again, you can still use the decimal form if you like in finding the percent of 16 here. So you can just write 65 hundredths or 0.65 multiplied to 16. Okay, that's all for now. And I hope that you learned how to find a percent of a given number. Thank you and see you soon.